time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Tell me, do you know? Do you know what time it is? Swizzy, hey, I said, come on, I said, come on, I said, come on, put my hand in the air, it's like that, paper out, it's like that, take it down here, it's like that, the whole thing fall, it's like that, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that, it's like that, hey, tell me that it's like that,
So this is a new intro. So basically I'm gonna do like a medium haul unboxing. So yeah, let's get started with the video. I got a package in the mail. This is from Woman Within. As you can see right here, Woman Within. They sell like clothes, they sell shoes, they sell like kind of like a clothing shoes store. So my mom basically got this for me. Well, technically she didn't really get it for me. Technically I have her card, but I have to ask my mom's permission before I buy things because my mom is paying for it. So technically it's under my name, but it's her card because she's paying for it. So she wanted me to get some stuff from there. So she said, go ahead. So I did, and I guess it came earlier than expected. So we're gonna open this package. I would show you the back part, but the front part, but has my address on it. So we're gonna open this. Normally I would wait for my husband. My husband doesn't need a. So this packaging is pretty crazy. Oh, I would use the scissors, but it's outside. So we're gonna use my muscles. I got it. I got it. So let's see we'll open it and see what's inside. So they have a deal going on. It's a spring deal, and whoa, this is this is huge. I got it. What I see here is underwear. As you can see, this is underwear, and I got size 42A. I need to go check this. See, it's okay. This is pretty huge for me. So this is pretty large, but it's cool. I kind of sort of got bigger, and I want something. Mom told me to get this because she wanted me to get something loose. So it comes with different colors. So I follow her directions, you know, being a good daughter and all. Next thing I got, so this is my receipt. As you can see what I ordered. Yeah. So next thing I got, oh, okay, these are camisoles, and what they are, I'm gonna open one. I can figure out how. Oh, here it is. These are camisoles, and what they is supposed to, I guess, after I give birth, this is supposed to help with to get your body back in shape or something. And my mom thought this would be a good idea to get. So yeah, so I would wear it like this. It looks like this. I would wear it, and it's supposed to go around your body, and it's supposed to, I guess, fit your body in shape or something. Not fit your body in shape, but keep your body intact. It's supposed to, I don't know how to explain, but I got one in nude and black, so that's what that is. And then the last thing that they have here is their magazines. So apparently they have three magazines now. So So they have a company called Romans or something, and they always have coupon codes in the back and whatnot. And they have, so it's all for women. The next, this one I see, it's a coupon for me, 40% off, 10,000 words if you use this. So you have like their brochures and stuff. And then this is their actual magazine. I always get one in the mail. I kind of already have this one, but this is Women Within. And like I said, they have a bunch of stuff. I'll show you like a preview. Like they sell jeans, clothes, t-shirt, and these are all for women. I don't think this is for men. Sorry, guys who are subscribed to me. But if you guys want to buy stuff for your woman, you can totally check this out. If I remember, I'll put their link down below. They have bras, they have outfits, they have shoes. And right now it's their spring collection, so... Okay, so... So I got like 2 packages. And yeah, so the next package that I got is basically I got a box in the mail, and my husband, this is kind of saying that we got gift cards, and we so broke that we got gift cards, and so we use these gift cards to redeem things. And my husband, he redeemed what he wanted, and I only had like $200 of gift card to spend, so I didn't know what to get. Technically I was supposed to get my vlogging camera, but my husband didn't want to use it for that. He wanted to pay out of his pocket, and I'm not going to stop him. So I got something else. So I'm going to show you what I got. This is in the package. I kind of opened the box to actually see if it's safe. But I haven't like actually opened it. So we're going to go ahead and open it. So do this. And I went clean. Oh, so of course you see the receipt, and this is from Best Buy. So you have the receipt from Best Buy, and it comes with these little bubbly things. Earth awareness. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that in there. So I heard kind of bad reviews about this. I kind of heard good reviews about this. Some people say it's good, some people's not. And I wanted to try it, so I'm not really sure. They said that this is not really good and it makes a lot of noise, but this is the only cheapest one that I could find, and so I got a mic, so hopefully I have better quality. So this is a Rode Video Mic Go light camera microphone, 2-year warranty, suspension, no battery, and lightweight. So it looks like this. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna test it out. Normally I would, when I do unboxing, actually put the camera around, but I really want to bring my little cart table out. So we're gonna do this. Kind of chipped my nails, so it's kind of hard to open this thing. I tend to bite my nails. My husband is watching TV outside. We just finished watching a movie. Basically, it's one of our favorite anime TV shows. Fairy Tail, I talked about it before in my baby video and a lot of times in my lives. I'm obsessed with Fairy Tail. I love it. It's my favorite anime TV show. And there was a movie that came out last year, so we watched it, and everything makes sense now. And then apparently they're going to release it in fall 2018. The episode, hopefully. I'm excited. So, there, I got it. Yay. Ta-da! I got it. Ooh. Is that me, or like, I like smelling boxes. They smell so good. I'm weird. Okay. So, okay. So, oh goodness. Why do they make things so like, complicated. Like, seriously, it's like makes me mad. I don't. Oh, it's not complicated. Ta-da. So what I see here is I see the quick start guide. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. It tells you what to do, how to mount it, configurations, etc. So that's what I'm gonna figure out to do. And it smells good. I like this. It smells weird actually. But this is what the mic looks like. So, and then they have the absorbent thing, do not eat. And then this is the cord. We like collecting boxes and stuff to keep things safe. So I'm guessing this is the cord that comes with it. Looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and hopefully I have good quality. Let's check it out. Hello cousins, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Let me know if the video quality is really good. I just want to say this is it. I tested and this is basically after when I put this mic on, thanks to a bunch of gift cards because your girl is broke. But anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful video of my small medium unboxing haul with a bunch of like my mic and my clothes that I got from my mom, and then this was from my husband who literally got a bunch of gift cards and he said I could use it because he used it and he gave me $200 gift card to spend. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just kind of upgrade my mic because I thought why not get a mic because so I can have really good video quality for you guys. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then hopefully I get a brand new laptop soon. Editing is kind of tight, and then of course a new vlogging camera. In the meantime, I'll probably have to vlog from my DSLR, but like I said yesterday in my previous video, if you don't watch it, it's really heavy. It hurted my hand, and now my hand is like completely numb. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful video. And don't forget, if you want to support my PayPal link, support this channel, my PayPal link is down below. Also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed and turn the notification on. And then also I have 2 baby registers down below, and like I said, you can by all means send Princess stuff if you want to. She's coming in 3 weeks, so I'm really excited, really nervous, and a lot is going on right now. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, I vent a lot. I tell how I feel. I'm not afraid to express my feelings. You guys can literally just comment and just express how you feel. But that's how I feel. I just feel like I need to express myself. And if you guys don't feel like that's a thing, then don't read it, don't comment it. I just express how I feel. I think I'm recording. Yes, I am. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are just wonderful, wonderful day. And I'm really sorry right now. I'm gonna go take a shower because alright, I'm gonna film this intro before I go. Mahalo nui, aloha oi. Catch you on the next wave. Shoots, cousin Ohana.